Now we are going to solve a question based on that vectors. So here in this vector form of the question, they mention two forces F and two forces P and Q act on a particle. So the first force P has magnitude 10 Newton, acts due west. So due west means it is towards the left hand side because we know that the towards upwards it is north and towards downward it is south and towards right hand side it is east. So towards left hand side is west. So the P force direction is towards west 10 Newton. So we can write this is P is equal to 10 Newton and then Q has 8 Newton magnitude and act on a bearing of 330 degree. So 330-degree bearing, so we need to sketch the north line first and from the north line we need to take 330 degrees. So this is the 330 degrees. We can sketch it. This is the value of Q. Q equal to 8 Newton. So now we need to identify what is the angle between these two forces. So that value can be calculated by 330 minus 270 is equal to 60. Because from this point to here, this is 270 degrees. So 330 minus 270, the value we are getting that is 60 degrees. Now we need to write the two forces as the two sides of the triangle, then the closing side will be the F force. That is the magnitude of F. Because of that, F is equal to P plus Q. So first I have to sketch that P Newton, and here I can able to mark P is equal to 10 Newton. Then I need to copy this Q force. The end of the Q force will be the starting of that P force, or the starting of Q will be the end of the P force. So I can able to mark like this. So this is my Q force. Q is equal to 8 Newton. And already we are having that angle between the horizontal line and the Q force is 60 degree. So now I want this angle. So if I want this angle, I can able to calculate 180 minus 60 degree, that is 120 degrees. So the F force is called as addition of these two things. So that's why the closing side of this triangle is the F force. So this is the force F. F is equal to P plus Q, right? Now it is a triangle and we know that two sides and also the in between angle. So we can able to use the cosine rule for calculating the value of F. So that is F square is equal to P square plus Q square minus 2PQ cos 120 degrees. So the P value is equal to 10 and Q value is equal to 8. So I can substitute the two values here. Then we can calculate it with the help of the calculator. So 10 square plus 8 square minus 2 times 10 times 8, then cos 120 degrees. So the answer is 244. So that is F square is equal to 244. I need to identify that F value, that is square root of 244 I need to calculate. So when I am calculating that square root of the answer, that value is 2 root 61. So this is called as the magnitude of